So I'm going to be dyeing my KiKiskustomz 613 white blonde hair. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how I achieved my titanium silver hair using the watercolor method. So you're going to need a pot of boiling water. You don't want it too hot to where you can kind of damage the hair, but you don't want it too warm either. You want it kind of luke hot. Get what I'm saying? So now I'm going to take my Adore Titanium in the color 155, and I'm just going to put a few drops in the water and kind of mix that around. So as you see, the color looks a little transparent. I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more drops just from my liking. And a few more drops, it won't hurt it at all. Going to kind of unravel my bundles so when I soak it into the watercolor it kind of dyes evenly. Y'all, this is my first time doing a watercolor method, so bear with me. Now I'm just going to kind of swirl the hair in the water so the dye can leak on to the blonde. And now I'm just going to keep letting that soak for another 10 to 15 minutes and keep checking on the color as I go. I'm just going to add a little bit more water to do the second and third bundles because I'm completely done with my first one. I didn't show you guys this in the beginning, but I did kind of switch it up. So I'm using my little, I'm using the Adore, but this time I'm going to put some of the Shimmer Light shampoo, the purple shampoo, and that's just going to give it that titanium silver look. And as you can see, the color is taken pretty quickly and quite well. And I'm liking the way it's going so far. now I'm just going to give my bundles a Shimmer Lights bath and deep condition right afterwards.